Good morning, students. How are you? Are you fine? Let me discuss a new topic, that is solution. A solution is a homogeneous mixture of two or more substances. We come across many of the solutions in our day-to-day life. Some common examples of solutions are sugar solution, salt solution, lemonade, soda water, etc. For example, sugar solution is formed when sugar is dissolved in water. Before discussing about the solution in detail, we will discuss the two main terms that are known as the components of a solution. A solution has two components. The meaning of the components, solution जिनसे मिलकर के बना होता है, वो दोनों चीजें, वो दोनों substances. Now, first is the solute. So, what is the definition of the solute? Solute, the component is a kind of a substance. So, the component which is dissolved in a liquid to make a solution is called solute. Similarly, number two, solvent. The component in which solute is dissolved is known as solvent. For example, salt solution. Salt solution is made by dissolving salt in water. So, in a salt solution, salt is solute because it is found in a lesser quantity and that is dissolved in water. So, water is a solvent. Yes, children, one more thing. In solute and solvent, solute is always in the lesser amount while the solvent is taken as a larger amount. इसका रीजन ये है क्योंकि सॉल्वेंट के अंदर सॉल्यूट को डिसॉल्व किया जाता है. That's why solute is always in a lesser amount. Properties of a solution. Number one, a solution is a homogeneous mixture. The meaning of the homogeneous, samangi. It means if we add some of the sugar or salt in water and stir it, then after some time the sugar or salt disappears and we get a transparent solution. And that transparent solution is why? Because the solute particles are so small and they merge in between the water molecules. And so if we want to know that is the water, sugar solution or salt solution, then we have to test it. And the sweetness or sourness of the solution shows that is salt solution or sugar solution. And this sourness or sweetness of the solution shows that is the homogeneous mixture. Number two, the size of the solute particles in a solution is extremely small. They are so small. The size of the solute particle is less than 1 nanometer, and 1 nanometer is equal to 10⁻⁹ meter. Number three, the path of the light is not visible in a solution. If we pass a light through salt solution, then what's happened? The solution is unable to pass light through it because the particles of solute in a salt solution is so small, so they are unable to reflect the light passing through them. Number four, a solution is stable. The meaning of the stable is there. If we keep the solution for some time undisturbedly, then what's happened? Their particles never settle down. They float throughout the solution, and such type of the solution is known as the stable solution. Number five, the solute particles cannot be separated from mixture by the process of filtration because the particles of solute are very small, are extremely small, so that whenever we filter the solution, they also filter with the filtrate. Our next topic is types of solutions. Children, whenever we think about the solutions, we think that solutions are formed only when solids are dissolved in water. Though most of the solutions are formed by dissolving solids in liquid, but always that is not so. Many of the times solutions are also formed if solid dissolved in solid, solid dissolved in gas, gas dissolved in gas, etc. So there are the many types of the solutions. Now the various types of solutions are: number one, solutions of solid in liquid. For example, salt solution, where salt is solid and water is liquid. So here the salt is solute while water is solvent. Next, solution of solid in solid. Example, alloys are the solutions of solid in solid. For example, brass. Brass is formed by mixing zinc and copper. Here, when 30% of molten zinc is mixed with 70% of copper, and by cooling them, their solution, the brass is formed. Brass is formed. So here the 70% of copper is there. So copper is as a solvent. Here copper is solvent and zinc is solute. Number 3, solution of liquid in liquid. Example, water in milk. Number 4, gas in liquid. Example, soda water. Soda water contains carbon dioxide as a solute, which is dissolved in water as a solvent. Number 5, solid in gas. Example, smoke. Smoke contains carbon particles as solute in air, which acts as a solvent. Number 6, gas in gas. Example, air. Air contains 78% of nitrogen, which can be taken as a solvent with the other gases such as oxygen, carbon dioxide, hydrogen, helium, neon, argon, carbon particles, SPM, soil particles, etc., which are as a solute. Thank you.